Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a fridge cleaning motivation video. I had to clean out my fridge. I do it about once a month, like where I take out everything before I go grocery shopping and scrub everything down. So I hope this motivates you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together.
So off camera, I did wash each individual shelf and all the glass and underneath the drawer area, which you'll see in a little bit. It was disgusting.
Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
Okay, so here's the end result. I kept all of our breads and corn tortillas up here with our other tortillas. I need to buy more. My Greek yogurt right here. This one's almost done, that's why I have two. Our sour cream. We need to get our milk in the back. Spinach. I cleaned out all these with the fruit, which I'm glad I went through them because I got to see what was going bad. And also with this, I washed them all. And I don't know if you guys put your potatoes in your fridge. Let me know. Leave a comment down below. I've always put them in because I saw my mother-in-law put them in her fridge, and I've never had, it takes like a month and a half for a potato to go bad whenever I keep them in the fridge. And then I have all of our cheeses down here at the bottom with some meats and our bacon. And then cleaned out these, but don't have anything in there for them. But that is it for a quick refrigerator clean out clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try